Grabe yung introduction, ano? Well, the reason why I decided to really focus on Pampanga, kasi dito lang ako makakita ng stage na salamin. Diba? Dito lang. And, kasi nung araw, nung lumang panahon, hindi pwede ang salamin. Ang sahig noon, kawayan. Nasa mga babae, mahaba ang saya. Pero walang panty. Diba? Ngayon pwede na to. Diba tama? So, allow me to recognize our Timilit Pago, Luhang Baro over here. And also our focused and dedicated. One time sabi ko sa kanya, uy, maglaro ka ng Candy Crush pag may meeting ha? Ayaw niya. Gusto ko talaga makinig, maintindihan ng mga speaker. That is our Timilit Pago. Helen Thor. Ayaw ka naman. So, yes, we decided to create a market in Pampanga. And kasi we have a hardworking BD. The first female BD in Riway. You know, when he walks very fast. Kaya majority ng mga kasama niyang BD patay lang ng kuko sa paa. Sa bilis niya maglakad, no? So, balakpakan naman natin si BD. Okay? And as BD Ann mentioned, we will really focus on Pampanga. In fact, re-rentahin ko yung kwartong yan. Diyan na kami titira. No? Yan. Para sigurado hindi kami malate sa meeting. So, allow me to continue the story of BD Ann. Okay? Because I have a reason why I will tell. Yan, may sense na yung sasabihin. By the way, let's recognize Princess Del Rosario, no? Ang ating first speaker, very dedicated. Diba? Ano po yan? Member po yan ng female band. Kapatid po yan yung Port Impact. I-search nyo sa Google, makikita nyo. Okay? And of course, si Vanessa, di ba yan? So, she has a big reason to join Riway kasi mapuputulan na ng paa asawa niya. Tama? Oh? Kami noon, mapuputulan na rin ng kuryente. Kaya mag-Riway na kami. Kasi mag-Riway na tayo. So, mapuputulan tayo ng kuryente. Di ba? So, and of course, si Patricia, very hard work. You know, that team, when they work, unbelievable. I knew them from the very beginning. They will board 2 vans from La Union to Manila Thursday and came back to La Union. Kung you did that, that's how work. That's the reason why I believe Pampanga will really explode. Yes, kaya pa natin yan. Kaya nga, may inimbita na ako ng Swiss Fight Bombers to really explode the pinapasaya ko lang tayo. Anyway, so, yung kwento ni BD Ann, di ba yung first fish na matay? So, because I live 2 blocks away from the lake, so binalikan ko yung lake. Binalikan ko. And the same thing happened, no? There's another fish that is a talking fish. And then, of course, sabi niya, hey, pakawalan mo ako, I'll give you wishes. Sabi niya, how many? 3 wishes. I don't need 3 wishes. I only need 1. No, 3 wishes. No, 1 only. Kasi baka mamatay eh. Mamatay yung ulo, di ba? 3 wishes. No, especially the second wish, I don't need that. Di ba, ano yung second wish? To become the most handsome. Hindi na kailangan yun. Hindi na, wala na. Huwag niya kailangan. So, balikan kami. Talian mo, baka mamatay ka. 1 wishes only. Okay. So, what is your 1 wish? Give me 10 wishes. Oh. Di ba? Ang dami ko ng wishes. So, napagbigyan ako. Kaya hindi namatay yung fish. Okay? Mamaya ko ibibigay ko anong lesson mo. Okay? So, BD Ann gave me a topic called goal setting. You know, there's a lot of praying about goal settings, but I'd rather go Riway goal setting. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Riway goal setting. Because sometimes goal setting is just like New Year's resolution that never happened. Tama ba? Let us be realistic, no? In the story of the movie called, in the movie of the Alice in the Wonderland, how can you watch the Alice in the Wonderland? Okay, yan. There is a cat there, and Alice Wonderland so happened, cross a road, all of a sudden the road forked. Sabihin nyo, anong ibig sabihin ng road fork? Nagkaroon ng baboy. And then, pork, gano'n. Pork. Nag-pork, nag-iwalay. So sabi ng pusa, ni Alice, sabi niya, which road I will take? Sabi ng pusa, where are you going? I don't know. Sabi ni Alice. So therefore, if you don't know where you are going, any road will take you there. First thing is you have to know why you are in Freeway. You know, when I joined Freeway, thank you. Best friend ko talaga yan si Edo. Okay. When I joined Freeway, I examined Freeway well. And I came to Freeway with a lot of hurts in the industry. Because this is my 30, how many years, my love? 32 years. Yeah, I started when I was a toddler. 32. Until today. And I brought a lot of hurts in this industry. You know why? Because when I work, I am very dedicated. Even in the corporate world, I work as a acting plant manager of the GE Appliances, yung General Electric washing machine. Ako nung patakbo niyan eh. Diba? Kaya nga nagsara yun eh. Nagtakbuhan yung mga washing machine. Naiwan ako eh. So, nagsara yun. No? It was closed. No? So, I had a lot of hurts. Kaya nung unang dumating ako, ganito ang attitude ko sa mga BD. The first thing that I did, when I learned that there is this kind of department business development manager, I got in touch with them. I talked to JD. JD tell me, you know, this company is telling system. All the companies are telling system, but they're all lying. They're all after the profit. Because this business is not a selling business. This business is building an organization of people who believe in the system. That's the way to do this business. I started with only 2. In my first 4 months, I had 1 month's income. I don't care about the income. Anyway, the income will not go to me. It will go to my wife anyway. So wala din, di ba? So that's the reason why I didn't focus on income. I focus on developing the leaders with all of my might for them to believe and become loyal and real. That's the only goal. I started with 2. Minsan sinisita ko ng mga tao sa Riva, yung mga magaling magbenta. Andiyan pala yung idol ko, si Tim Minit Pabo Aerostore. Palakpakan natin, di ba? Kasi kung hindi nag-riway ako, Ryan Nabella ang papel niya. Dapat pumalit yung daw minso. But anyway, so I started to investigate. Alam mo noon, si AJ napunti na nga. Tangali mo pinaka. Are you sure you understand the system? Because I want our understanding the same. Because my question is, kasi the problem with pursuing a system, you are not sure you're gonna make money. Because you are pursuing people instead of profit. That's the reason why most of you are venturing into selling the product. I did not. You ask my wife. I did not pursue. I don't care if the product will be bought. I will build 2 loyal leaders, because if I build a 2 loyal leaders, they will take product continuously more than the regular product. Erwin Salin in here, I will ask, how many products are you taking? Almost 60,000 a month. How about you, Jake? The entire family, hindi ko pa na-compute, are taking the product. You know how much product my family are taking, including my mother-in-law and my in-laws. We are now, starting this month, we are taking 36 capsules a day. That's the reason why we accumulated a lot of free products. Pag may promo, bili kami niya, pagdagdag. I have 45 account, personal account. My wife has 21. James, how many account do you have? 32. Erwin, how many account do you have? 14. Sa akin kasi bawal yung hindi ka more than 7. Because dun ko ma-measure kung matakapang ka. Because strength or courage breed courage. Cowardness, it will breed what? Isipin mo, network mo, puro basan sisig. Asan mga leaders mo? No? So you must know where you are going. I know it's a platform. I was asking AJ to a point that we were in Zoom with Joseph Fan, diba? Our international training manager. I told Joseph, tell me to my face if my understanding and your understanding will coincide. If not, slap me in my face and I will chase it to where you are going. Don't sugarcoat. Oh, first meeting namin yun ni Joseph Fan sa Zoom. And he said, Mon, you are in the right direction. However, the priority of our big boss is relationship. You must be a little softer because you are very strong. Kaya marami rin hindi natutuwa sa akin. Diba? Kasi I'm strong. Why? Ay matindi ang pangangailangan ko sa buhay. I need to be strong. Kasi, yung asawa ko marunong ng boxing yun. Kasi kung magulpi ako pala, kaya So you know, this is a platform. You are pursuing the goal. This is how you look at it. 5 years from now, how do you see yourself in this platform? Will you stay the same before? You know, I have a nephew ng asawa ko. We had a meeting yesterday. She was a former U.S. Navy. Diba? Anybody know U.S. Navy? What are they?
Navy.
They are Navy. Yes. Bakit? Totoo naman yun. Diba? So, she early retired from that. She got tired of that. And then, he's now here in the Philippines, coming back to America. And she has now a fiancé. So I told Vides, we better talk to them. So, before our meeting, she gave me a list of all reasons why he cannot do Riway. Long list. And I chat back, okay, thank you. That's what we need. All the reason, I don't have money, you know, I always pay bills. Every time I earn, it goes all to bills. Good. So, nag-usap kami. And I tell him about, do you know, before when I was pursuing my goal, the first thing that my mentor told me is, you must be numb of your present. Because your present, you know why we are here in this present time, our situation? Because that is our decision in the past. And we arrived to where we were in our mind before. What the training says, become successful first, be in a state of success until you get to the reality and the truth of success. The reality is we're not successful maybe at this time. But the truth is we are successful. Stay there. Because listen to this, most of your present today that hinder you from growing in Riway is that state of mind of yours is filled with fears that you accumulated over time from the experience before. If you will not live there, I told to Sir Jeff, if you stay there, let me ask you a question. 5 years from now, do you think you can change your life to where you are to where you are going? And you know the answer? I don't know. That's the dangerous part of life. You don't know where you are going. And then I asked the fiancé. She's working as a international marketing of a hospital department. And I asked her, if you stay there, do you think in the future you can give a great, good family for the two of you 5 years from now? And what's the answer? I don't know. Most people are betraying the future because they did not decide what is their future will be. I am decided. I told him, noong araw, hindi kami makabayad na ng kondo. Malapit ng kunin. Although yung condo was given to me. May nagbigay sa akin ng kondo. Diba yung pagkausap niya ako, matapang dito si Mo. Ano bang matapang ka? Gusto ng tao yun. Kasi marami na sila sinamahang duwag eh. Nahawa nga sila dun eh. Diba ang hilig natin sumama sa duwag? Kasi we are proud people. We follow proud. There is a book called Code of Millionaires. Yung librong yun, ang sabi, lahat daw ng mga magagaling na milyonaryo, like Bill Gates and everybody, lahat daw yun, mga siraulo. Because they don't think ordinary. They think beyond their minds. But most of us stay where we are, in our minds. We have to live there. Iwanan mo yan. Fill your mind with future you like and fight for it. That's the way to go. Are you getting this? That's the way to set a goal. All the other technicalities, ang galing na ni-reway dyan, kompleto na ang system eh. May event, may everything, ano mga hanapin mo? Wala ka na masasabi kay Reway. Diba? Even health, even good looks. Diba? Dati yung karamihan ng katabi nyo nakaitim, ang papangit yan, hindi mo ngayon ang tsura. Hindi nga. Doon araw ang mga kapitbahay niya, nasusunod pa pag dumadaan sila. Ngayon, hindi na. Naging healthy pati kapitbahay. Tama? Princess? But the point is, Reway gave everything. What else do you want? Andyan na lahat. But you know, the problem is you stay in the present. Don't stay in the present because you will not get to your future. It is impossible. How many of you want to stay where you are now? The inflation rate in the Philippines is 20%. You have to overcome. Even if my wife and I, we have money in the bank. No? Dati sa, kasi kaibigan ko, turo ng turo eh. Save money, save money. Sabi ko, magsisave, wala akong kita. Eh si Robert Kiyosaki, happens to be Robert Kiyosaki, barkada ko yan eh. Ganun kami. Ganun kami, no? Diba? Sabi niya, savings is a myth. What you fill your mind thinking is how to make more, and savings is the product of making more. Don't save money. Invest your money. Invest your money in people. That's the way to go. And my copy ko, malimutan ko yung sulit ko sasabihin. Ano? Sensa na, pwede ba mo commercial? Diba? Alam mo, kailangan din ang konti ko, ah. Kahit yung matatali ng katulad ko, nakakalimot yan. Okay. Begin with an end in your mind. And fight for that. Kailangan manhid ka sa situation ngayon. Otherwise, wala kang risk factor. You'll never get that far. I was talking to my leaders here in Pampanga, Jules and Laura here. And Roland is here already. Okay? Palapakan nyo nga sila para mawala naman. Kasi grupo ko yun. And I'm telling them, who will set the pace? You recruit? No. We are the one who will set the pace. You know the first sin in the Bible caused for the fall of man? Anybody? The word is called afraid. Diba? Sabi ni God, Adam, Eve, nasaan kayong dalawa? Nagtatago po ako. Ano ginagawa niyo dyan? Hindi naman gano'n ang tinanong. Tama? Ganun ba? Ano ginagawa niyo? Pero tatago kayo sa dalawa dyan. Ganun ba yung sinabi sa Bible niyo? Ano sabi ni Adan? Ba't siya nagtatago? I am. First time nilabas yung word niya. If you stay in there, you'll ruin the generations of your family. Promise. They say that Philippines is the most educated country in the world. But we are being left behind by Vietnam. Because despite of the education, most of us are cowards. We want to serve other people instead of making our own destiny. We have to make it. Now it's our privilege. Reway International, the most committed company to people is here. And if you lose in Riway, it is not Riway's fault. It is your fault. Mahiya tayo sa balat natin. My question is, okay mo, platform. The question is, what is our business? That is where we're going, right? Right now, wala ka pa sa negosyo yun. Lalo na kung wala ka pang rank. Kahit nga 1 star, minsan wala pa dun sa negosyo natin. What is our business? Anybody? Bibigyan ko ng 2 set na fourth year. Therapy.
Leaders building.
Ano ang ating business?
Leaders building.
Leadership, that's a good one. Another one. Duplication is also, yes, that's getting closer. Oh, let me go down. Para mas gwapo kasi ako sa babae. Our business is network. But most people, you don't know what is your business. And what is network? Before I go to closing, okay, what is network? Why do we have platform? What is platform? A platform is a system. Ano yung system? System is the leadership development system. Am I right? The reason why you have leader sharing, the reason why we have TBOOTC. Narinig niyo ba si Limbuno nagsalita sa stage? 4th year. Narinig niyo ba gano'n? Woo! Bili na kayo ng 4th year. Kaya ang chichip natin eh. Hindi tayo, nakaganito ka nga. Pero walang dangal kasi magtitinda ka ng produkto. I have an uncle ng wife ko, former, bilisan ko lang ito, singit ko lang, Vice President ng Mercury. After 30 years, nag-retire. After 2 years, nahina ang katawan. Eh, may nagbenta sa kanya ng produktong nasa tube. Hindi 4th year, parang kabyar. Hindi ko nasabi ko sa, alam ko sa inyo, baka doon pa kayo sumali. No, mahirap na. So, iniinom, lumakas. Naku, lahat ng kamag-anak. Yung, kanyari, pipar. Ang galing ng pipar. Ang galing ng, ano po may ng pipar. Noong una tinutulungan siya ng mga kapatid, mga kamag-anak. But come to a point in time, their reunion, Christmas reunion eh. Lumapit ko kapatid na gusto lalaki sa akin. As if hindi na kasali doon. Kasi alam niya, networker ako. That's the reason why I'm proud of being a networker because I know my position. I'm not a seller. Sabi niya, Bon, ano nangyari kay Kuya dito? Kapupangan ko ngayon, kapupangan kasi asawa. Kaya maganda yan eh. Kaya lang kami nag-apply sa akin, siya lang tinanggap ko eh. Diba? Kaya hindi yun ang point, Okay? Ang point is this. Ano nangyari kay Kuya dito? Vice President ng Mercury. Eh ngayon eh. Tinataguan na ng ibang kamag-anak kami. Kasi benta. So, ngayon, pinatawag ako ni Tito dito. Kasi yung presidente ng kumpanya yun, naging consultant ako. Kaso hindi kami nagkasundo. Kasi sabi ko, bawal mag-present ng doktor. Presenta, gusto niya yung doktor. Hindi tayo magkakapag. Ngayon, magkaibigan na lang tayo. Hindi ko na yung magagawa yung kumpanya mo. Hindi ko kailangan ng bayad mo. So, iniiwan ko yun. Siguro, ito punta mo si Juan. So, in-invite niya ako. Kasi consultant pa rin siya ng mga K. There is a building there in Metro East, pangalan, Juan Alba. Kailangan kita makausap. Ito, in-invite ko. Vice President dito, sa ganito kumpanya. Hindi ka kain tayo sa Kapchat. Excited siya, kwento siya. Ang galing, di mo ako lumakas. Alam mo, si Flore, binigyan ko, ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, dito. Kung bang Vice President ka ng Mercury, nagtinda ka ba ng product ng Mercury? O hindi ako, Vice President ako doon. Oo nga, ngayon na-demote ka, ahente ka na lang. Kaya hindi ka na nakaka-attract ng matitinong tao. This. Now, if you set a goal, it's not about you. It is for you to look for 2 people. You will build a network of them. And therefore, make sure those people will believe in so much in Riway, will believe in this company to a point that kahit wala ka, they will fight with Riway. That's the reason why may leaders, pag may leaders ako, sabi ko sa kanila, kausapin yung mabuti ang mga PD. Kung pwede, huwag nyo nang patulugin yan. Kausapin mo, i-date mo yung mga yan. Pag yung mga top leaders, pag nakita mo yung si Luhang Baro, lapitan mo. Sabihin mo sa kanya, nilapitan mo siya kasi akala mo si Alma Moreno siya. Lapitan mo yan, kausapin mo. Exchange ideas. That's how Riway. Riway can only grow in Riway if you immerse with the leaders. You cannot grow by just sitting down there. To a point na i-date mo yan si Luhang Baro, pakainin mo sa Han, yung hotel dito, yung pinakamahal. Tapos bigyan mo ng 50 mil na pang kasino, tutulungan ka niyan. Diba? Si Helen doon, yan ang mga top, well, kidding aside, they're the leaders who are strong. They're Team Ilik Pamo here. Helen doon, ganyan niya, paloko-loko lang kung isa niyan, pero agi na yan. Alam mo ba yan? One time sabi ko, sabi kasi ni Joseph pa, nagtigas ko rin. Ay hindi, sabi ni Joel, mayayay mo sa Helen. Pag yun ang bigay ng batas, pag hindi ka sumunod, tepo ka. Ako talaga, yun ang training ko coordinator. Pag sinabi no, sige, gusto mo yan ang gawin mo, sige, gawin mo yan. Pero kung sumama sa amin, dito kami. Kaya look at her leaders, very strong. Yan, nandiyan dyan, paligid, ako nang pagkitin. Diba? Yung anak niyang pinakagwapo, yung bunso, yung pangalan, Eric, wala yata dito. Grabe yun. Puno-puno ng pag-ibig ang bunso nun. Ay ko pala yun. Adyak pala. Puno na kita. Okay. So the platform, ganito yung goal. Ang goal yung tao. Pero yung tao yung matapang. And let me close this. There are 5 things that you know what? Why you don't grow? Because you don't ask commitment. Hey, this is business, guys. This is not fellowship. You cannot just say, so may makikita ko, saya-saya ko eh. Oo eh, kailan ko magsasaya? Isang taon na tayo, di ba? Tapos ay, ito pala leader ko. Good luck sa iyo. The leader that you choose is will either make you or break you. Your life is in your leaders that you choose. It's not about you. Select them well. Kung nakita mo, alanganin pa, huwag mo ubusan ng oras. Diba? Nanginginig ka, pa sinabi mo, ano, mag-sign up ka na. Hindi ko nanginginig. Sabi na ng leader ko, kasi nimbesan mo. Hindi na naman pa sa Malaysia. Diba? Hindi na naman sa Malaysia. Yung nagpan sa Malaysia, ito pala ng Malaysia. Ang daming Malaysia. Yun lang ang nakita kasi nga, 1 year's goal set mo. There are 5 commitments. Listen to this. Number 1, if you join me, I'll ask you, now you understand the platform. Sa buwan na to, sobra na yan. Do you trust the system? You trust the platform? Do you believe in Riway now? You say yes. Invest 1.2 million. Because if you are courageous enough, what is 1.2 million in the business? Nag-negosyo nga ako ng araw, million eh. Diba yung seafood dealer? Dati ako seafood dealer eh. Kaya alam ko yung story ng isda niyan. Yeah. Biro mo yung mga hotel na itabas na, ayaw magbayad. Hindi mo naman mahabol. Paano mahabulin yun? Eh, nag-plus na yun sa toilet. Sabi, ibalik mo yung minsan 90 days, hindi nagbabayad ng hotel. Milyon ang nag-uubos ng hotel. But do you know that if you invest 1.2 million, you are committed to your goal, in 6 months, you can make 1.5 billion. Provided you get another 2 leaders. That is sure. When I started, hindi ako nagabol ng pera. 4 months, wala akong masyadong kita. 2 leader lang. Sabi ng mga tao, tumawa ka naman. Nawawa ka lang ng nawawa ka. Pag nagsilaya siya, wala kang pera. Eh, ganun talaga. Pag nagsilaya sila, nakapagbago. Kasi susubukan ko muna itong 2 kung sila talaga. Pero pag sinubok mo, may ipigain mo. Pag pumiyo, saka mo bitama. 1.2. Don't blink. Because you can do it if you are decided. Because we will ROI that fast. Pag nag-ROI ka ng... tinuturuan ko yung grupo ko eh. Nag-ROI ka ng silver, 26,000. Ano nakuha mo doon? Di ba wala? Pag nag-ROI ka ng 1.2 million, ibig sabihin nun, marunong ka na sa system building. Second, this is a rule. Take part of every day. I will always argue everything na natin take mo araw-araw. That is a requirement of me. If you're not taking the product, how can you influence other people? Number 3, engage with leaders and business development. It is your decision to be friend with Jeff. Kaya nga lahat ng BD na kinuha ng kapatid, puro magagandang lalaki. Alam mo si Jeff dapat, kung hindi nagsarang ABCBN yan, yan ang kapalit ni yung girlfriend ni Julia Barreto. Taga Davao. Siya dapat yun. But my point seriously is this. Use them. Talk to them. Get them the message of Limbon home. That is the only channel we have. But exert your effort. Hindi yung pag Tuesday mo lang kakausapin. Si Ann nandito yan, available. In Pampanga, tama? Diba? Kahit naglalaba yan, puntahan mo. They are so dedicated in freeway that even washing clothes, they are wearing like this. Ganito sila pa naglalaba. But you know why we dress like this? Makalagdag na ako, okay ba? You know why we dress like this? It's not for you. It is for people to respect freeway, and it's also for them. Bisa yung iba sa atin, pakailan po, no? Ito gusto ko suot eh. One time, sa kapilang kumpanya namin, may dumating eh, nakabahog na short, pero parang panty. Tapos na wala siya. Kasi okay naman, maganda. Ano ba yan? Imported ba yan? Levi's ba yan? Siyempre, hindi ko pahiya. Kasi ganun gano'n. Sabi hindi ko. Binili ko sa UK. At talaga, sa UK, double UK. Okay. But the point is this. Isa na po kayo kasi kinig na po ako ito kaibigan ko. Sabi, pumunta kami ng beach dito pala sa seminar. So, bisan ganon. But how can you attract people that way? Wear properly. Yan sabi ni Big Boss. Dress for success. If you are serious to grow, this is it. Kaya kamukha ko si Andy Lambaro, pero kung kamukha ko na, pareho na tayo. So, number 1, invest in the platform. They will only invest if they believe in it. Tama? Number 2, take product everyday cooking. Alam mo, kahit ikwento ko sa iyo lahat ng gumaling ng cancer, kahit paano ikwento ko, magpapili-pili, tumbling ako sa iyo, hanggat hindi siya gumagamit, hindi siya maniniwala. Good luck sa iyo.
Yes.
Pagamitin mo. Gusto mo malaman kung may effect, gamitin mo. One time, in-another company that's here, pinukwento ko yung mga gumaling sa cancer sa Isabela. Dami ko napagaling doon ng cancer sa kanila. Kasi magaling din, kahit pa paano, di ba? Dami, gumaling. Sabi sa akin, oh, good for you, wala akong cancer eh. Tama ba? Take the product yourself. Number 3, engage with leaders, engage with management. Number 4, expose yourself to the event. Investment mo yan. Invest mo saan? Sa'yo? No. It's not you are supposed for you to develop in an event and exchanging partner, exchanging leaders. Yung tao na nadalhin mo, yun ipapakausap mo sa mga leader, kina Lou, kina Helen, kina Vanessa, kina who else, Patricia. And they are willing to exchange because it will help them as well. Tama ba?
Yes.
Sila ang tinitraining mo, i-training sa sarili mo. Sa sobrang training mo sa sarili mo, bilib ka na sa sarili mo, hindi sarili. So, laki ng problema mo. Once you engage, the next, number 5, find the 2 leaders that you will dedicate your time to train and live with platform. It's not about you. Kaya nga network, kaya nga tinanong kayo kung anong negosyo nyo eh. Isipin mo, isang taon ka na dito, lagi ka nakatayo sa salamin, sabi mo, kaya kaya kita ma-recruit? Wala akong ma-recruit eh. You learn real way. You learn how to communicate. Alam mo yung pamangkin ko? Kinuwento ko yung ganito. Kinuwento ko gano'n maganda ang leeway. Meron dito apply na walang ginagawa, doktor, pero kumikita ng 800,000, di ba? Di ba? Oy, 2 pabo, di ba? Na-aksidente na, may pera pa rin. Di ba? 800,000 a month. Alam mo, problema ng tao yun, kaya hindi na makarecruit. Magulo yung Tagalog niya, pati English. Kaya pagkausap ko siya, ano ba yung sinasabi mo mga? Maintindihan eh. Ganda, liway ganda, liway ganda, liway ganda. Yaman, dami yaman. Ano yun? Basta yaman. Hindi kita maintindihan. Gusto mo intindi, punta ka sa office, sama kita. Doon sila maintindihan mo. Hindi kumita. Alam niyo ba ang upline ng karamihan sa atin? Yung Diamond Galaxy? Diba? By the way, sino sa inyo ang gumagamit ng product araw-araw? Pakitaas ang kamay. Look around. Dami, oh. Nasaan ako?
Gumagamit ng products.
Araw-araw. Ay, hindi yun eh. Apply. Ba yung apply natin, si Tanya Lee. Ano ba yung tatay yun? Ang kauna-unahang Freeway member ni Limuno. Eh, Team Supreme Pegasus 5 ba? O 7 si Tanya Lee? Sabihin mo na ang income lang nun ay, pagbawain natin, 30 million. 20% ko, kita ng tatay niya. Magkano ang 20% ng 30 million? 6 million. Kaya nga hindi nyo na makikita, ayaw na pagtrabahuin ni Tanya Lee kasi matanda na. Let me close this way. Find the best way to find the best people in your team. And focus on that. Work hard. Eh kasi nagmamadali kayo, recruit kayo ng recruit. Lahat na, ni-recruit nyo. Pati aso ng kapitbahay gusto nyo recruitin para marami kayong recruit. Hindi ganun. Get a leader like Vanessa who fight like Francis, this guys, itong mga drug lord natin. Nakita nila yung drug lord. Okay. User lang dati yan, ngayon fighter na. Diba? Look at the leaders here. I've been in this industry for the last 30 years. The most numbers of ranks at the time. Kasi yung target ko, mag-rank up ng tao. Hindi yung rank up ko sarili ko. Ano mangyayari sa'yo? Hindi rank up mo sarili mo. Hindi mo tayo ka na ng sarili mong stage. Umakyat ka doon. Ipapicture ka. Hindi ikaw. Sino yung iranak? Sigurado mong lalaban yan. Kasi itataya mo buhay mo dyan. When I dedicate with leaders, I invest my life. You ask Erwin. 9 months siya nag-negosyo, kumita, nag-resign. After resigning, pinakita ng apply sa akin, kinausap ko sa office, nakayuko, hindi naman bago ng sapatos. So itatanay ko, kumusta ka na? Okay na, sir. So, kumusta ka na? Ay, sabi, sir. Sabi ng apply, sir, quit na yan. At, hindi na quit na yan. Ang hirap kausapin niya si Erwin nung panahon na yun. Win, samahan mo ako sa office. Sir, busy ako kasi si Janet ito nagagawin sa school. Hindi ko maligawa. Bakit kasi ko isang araw sabi ng asawa ko, Mon, si Erwin, nagbebenta ng honey. Mon, si bili mo ka. Diba? Bili mo ka. Sabi ko, kaning honey. Sabi mo, hayop na honey yan ang mahal. Bili mo. Binili na asawa ko. Binili. May kasama pang bahay. Siyempre, ginawa ko na, piniga ko, binigyan ko ng kalamansi, tapos pinessage ko. Ano yung honey binili mo yung ibig sa'yo? Pag inin mo sa limonata, ang sarap. Ayaw, sir, mga ano ko sa'yo. Kaya, ginabukasan, tinawagan ko. Wait, pwede ba ako samahan? Kukuha akong product. Sabi niya, sir, busy ako. Ano ang tao pag ayaw na? Busy na yan. Kahit anong ginagawa, kahit nakahilata, ako sa busy ako, sir. Ano yan? 8 o'clock yun. Bandang 10, sir, nakalis ka ba? Hindi pa. 11 pa alis ko. Sir, ready na ako. Kasama ko, yun, patay ka sa ako, pagsubukay ka sa ako. Naka-child lock na yan. So, try ko, very. Pagdating sa office ko, yung mga, After 2 months. How many months? 2 months. Sabi 1 month pa lang, ayaw na kayo. Kasi hindi nyo alam ang negosyo nyo. Ang negosyo ko tao, ewan ko sa inyo. After 2 months, sabi niya, Sir, nakuha mo na! Yun. Nakapagpatayo ng bahay. Freeway has blessed us so much, kami ng family ko. Dati dami namin utang. 2019, nabayaran ko na lahat. Oo. Cash lahat ang binibili namin. Kanina bumili kami ng Mentos. Cash! Ano yung totoo yun? Cash talaga. We buy car in cash. Yung jewelry ng asawa ko. Di ba, kapampangan, mahilig sa alas eh. Sa asawa ko. Diba? Malaking ganting pala naman ang napapala ko kung nakabigyan siya ng gano'n. Diba? Nasa Thailand kami, turo siya ng turo gano'n. Kasi magaling mang budol yung Thailand eh. Marunod ka video. Yung mga babae, nakikita mo, hindi ilang yung mga mata. Yung mga lalaki, nakayoko, kaya kasi alam na sila gagastos eh, di ba? Nanlilisik ang mata ng mga babae. Paglabas na kayo, sabi ng asawa ko, titingnan mo lang. Ay, yung isa, can I see the one? Ganda, ano? Ito. Titingnan mo lang. Siyempre, malakas tayo makaano eh, di ba? Sabi ko sa ahente, she will buy. Nagkagulo na yung mga ahente. And she bought it. Freeway made me a real financial freedom. What is financial freedom, by the way? It is a freedom, not only money, but the peace in every area of your life. And Freeway is making your 6 areas of life really, ang tawag nila mo nung complete human. That's the reason why you don't pursue money. You pursue lives that you will change. Thank you very much.